In this video, we will do exercise 9.4 of chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Let's start exercise 9.4, multiply the binomial. Now here we will see how to multiply binomial with binomial. Here now in first question, 2x plus 5 you have to multiply with 4x minus 3. So now we will see how to multiply binomial with binomial. Two term means it is known as binomial. Now first term of first expression should be multiplied with both the term of second expression. So 2x you have to multiply with 4x minus 3. Then second term of first expression should be multiplied with both the term of second expression. The second term of first expression, that is 5, multiply with both the term of second expression, that is 4x minus 3. So how to multiply? Same as we did earlier. The 2 4s are 8, x into x square. 2 3s are 6, that is positive into negative, negative 6, and that is x as it is, that is 2x into 3 gives 6x. 5 4s are 20, that is 5 into 4x gives 20x, and 5 3s are 15, that is positive into negative is negative. So your final answer will be 8x square. Now dear student, here you have to do subtraction because the coefficient with a common variable. See here 20 minus 6, these variables are common in both the coefficient. The 20, you have to subtract 6 from 20, so you will get 14 and variable as it is x, and minus 15 as it is. Now let us move toward second sum, that is multiply y with both the term of second expression, that is y multiplied by 3y minus 4 and negative 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4. So y into 3y gives 3y square, and y into negative 4 is negative 4y. Negative 8 into 3 is negative 24, y as it is, and negative 8 into negative 4, that is negative into negative is positive, 8 4s the 32. Then 3y square as it is. Then if it is possible to add or subtract, you have to do so. Here minus and minus here to add. So minus 4 plus minus 24 gives minus 28, y as it is. We are doing addition and subtraction of common variable, plus 32 as it is. Now the next sum is 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now same way you have to do multiple of binomial with binomial, that is 2.5L you have to multiply with both the term of second expression, and that is negative 0.5M you have to multiply with both the term. See 2.5L into 2.5L you will get 6.25, L into L is L square. 2.5 into 0.5M, so you will get 1.25 LM. Then negative 0.5M multiply with 2.5L, the negative into positive is negative, that is 1.25 LM. Then negative 0.5M into positive 0.5M, so negative into positive is negative only, the 0.5 to 0.25 M into M is M square. Then write down 6.25 L square as it is. Then here positive 1.25 LM and negative 1.25 LM will get cancelled, and what is left? Negative 0.25 M square. This is the answer. Now the next one is fourth one, a plus 3b and x plus 5. So you have to multiply both the binomial, that is you have to multiply a with x plus 5 and 3b with x plus 5. So let us see, a multiplied by x plus 5 plus 3b multiplied by x plus 5. So a into x is ax, a into 5 is 5a, 3b into x is 3bx, and 3b into 5 is 3 5s are 15b. Now let us see next sum. Two pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. You have to multiply 2pq with both the term of second expression and 3q square with both the term of second expression. Let us start. Write down in multiple form. This bracket means multiply only. So now multiply this 2pq with both the term, that is 3pq minus 2p square and plus 3 q square with both the term, that is 3pq minus 2q square. So when you will multiply, 2 3s are 6, p into p is p square, q into q is q square, minus 2 2s are 4, p as it is, q into q square is q cube. Then plus 3q square into 3pq, 3 3s are 9, q p as it is, and q square into q is q cube, and 3q square into minus 2q square. So 3 into negative 2 is negative 6, and q square into q square is q raised to 4. Now write down 6 p square q square as it is. Then here, dear student, here possible to subtract because they both have common variable, that is p q cube, p q cube. So 9 minus 4 gives 5, positive 5, p q cube, variable as it is. Write down negative 6 q 4 as it is. Then let us see the sum number 6. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and a 4 into in bracket a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Now dear student, first you have to resolve this bracket. Then only it is possible to multiply. So how to resolve bracket? That is, you have to multiply this 4 with both the term. So 4 into a square is 4a square, and 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 upon 3b square. Now you can easily multiply 3 by 4 a square with both the term and 3b square with both the term. Now 3 by 4 a square multiply by 4a square gives 12a square into a square is 12a4 upon 4, and 3 by 4 a square multiply by 8 by 3b square. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 4 3s are 12. A square and b square as it is. Then second term of first bracket, first expression, that is 3b square, you have to multiply with both the term, that is 3b square into 4a square, 3 4s are 12, a square b square, then 3 8s are 24, that is positive into negative is negative, by 3. B square into b square is b raised to 4. Now dear student, if cancellation is possible, you can cancel, that is 4 3s are, so here 3a raised to 4, here 12 2s are, so 2 a square b square here I had written, then 12 a square b square as it is, then here also cancellation is possible, 3 8s are, here I had written b square. Now whatever is left, now see, write down 3a raised to 4 as it is. Now here find if any term, if any coefficient having a common variable. Yes, here it is a square b square and a square b square. So here minus and plus, again you have to subtract, that is 12 minus 2 gives 10 a square b square, and this minus 8 b4, 8 b raised to 4 as it is. Let us start next question number 2. Find the product. 5 minus 2x in bracket 3 plus x. So when you will multiply, let's see, you have to multiply 5 with both the term, that is 5 into 3 plus x and minus 2x into 3 plus x. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 into x 5x. 2 3s are 6, that is negative 6x as it is, and negative 2x into x is negative 2x. Now that is after multiplying 5 with 3 you will get 15, then 5 with x 5x, then 2x with 3, that is negative 6x, that is negative 2x into 3, that is negative 6x, then negative 2x into x is negative 2x square, x into x is x square, then final answer 15 as it is. Then you have to subtract this 5x from negative 6x. So 5 minus 6 gives minus 1, that is minus x here to write, then minus 2x square as it is. Let us see some number second. X plus 7y into 7x minus y. So you have to multiply x with both the terms, 7x with 7x minus y, and you have to multiply 7y with both the terms, that is 7x minus y. Let us see x into 7x minus y. So the x into 7x, that is 7x square, and x into y is minus xy. Then 7y with 7x, that is 7 7s are 49, x into y is xy, and 7 into y, that is negative y, that is negative 7y square, y into y is y square. Then see if any variable is common with any coefficient. Yes, here the variable are common, that is 49 minus 1, you have to consider this as a 1, they will get 48 plus 48, and write down 7x square as it is and minus 7y as it is. Then Next one is a square plus b and a plus b square. So multiply a square with both the term, that is a plus b square, that is a square into a is a cube and a square into b square is a square b square. Then a into b is ab. You have to multiply this b with both the term, that is a b into a plus b square, that is b into a is ab and b into b square is b cube. Now let us see the next one, that is p square minus p cube. You have to multiply with 2p plus q. So p square with both the term, that is 2p plus q, that is p square into 2p, that is 2 p square into p is p q and p square into q is p square q. Then you have to multiply this negative q square with both the term, that is 2p plus q, that is negative q with 2p gives 2p q square and negative q square into q is negative q cube. Let us see question number 3rd. Simplify. Now first sum, x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Now as usual, whatever we did that multiply with binomial with binomial, then this one as it is we have to keep. Now first we will do that. We will multiply binomial with binomial, that is x square. You have to multiply with both the term, that is x plus 5. X square into x is x cube and x square into 5 is 5x square. Then you have to multiply minus 5 with both the term, x plus 5. The minus 5 into x is minus 5x and minus 5 into positive 5 is minus 25, and write down this 25 as it is. Now see if any variable is common. No, all variable are different, only this negative 25 and positive 25 is there. Do cancellation. Then what is left, that is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Now next sum, x square plus 5 b cube plus 3 and plus 5. So again we have to multiply this to a square. Here it is a square. A square you have to multiply with both the term, that is b cube plus 3, that is a square into b cube, that is a cube. A square, you will get a square here, a square and b cube, and a square into 3 is 3a square, and 5 into b cube is 5b cube. This 5 you have to multiply with both the term. Then 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 as it is. Then see if any variables are common. No, all are different, only 15 and 5 both in positive. You can add this value, that is 15 plus 5 is 20, and write down rest of the term as it is. Then t plus s square into t square minus s. Now multiply this t with t square minus s, that is t into t square minus s. T into t square is t cube and t into negative s is negative st. Then s square, that is this second term of first expression, you have to multiply with second expression. Second term of first expression you have to multiply with second expression, that is s square into t square minus s, that is s square into t square is s square t square, and s square into s, that is s square into negative s is negative s cube. Then see if any variables are common. No. So write down all the term as it is, that is t cube minus st plus s square t square minus s cube. Now let us see the next sum number 4. A plus b in bracket c minus d, a minus b in bracket c plus d plus 2 in bracket ac plus bd. Now we have to solve this binomial first. We have to multiply this binomial with binomial, then this binomial with binomial, then we have to multiply 2 with both the term. Let us start with this. So a you have to multiply with both the terms, c minus d, that is a into c is ac and a into minus d is minus ad. Then you have to multiply this b with both the term, that is b into c is bc and b into minus d is minus bd. Then solve this binomial with, now multiply this binomial with another binomial, that is a you have to multiply with c plus d. So a into c plus d, so a into c is ac and a into d is ad. Then minus b with both the terms, c plus d, that is b into c is minus bc, and minus b into plus d, that is minus bd. Then you have to multiply this 2 with ac plus bd, that is 2 into ac is 2ac and 2 into bd is 2bd. Then see if anything is possible to cancel, that is negative ad with positive ad, cancel it. Then positive bc with negative bc, cancel it. Then ac, write down as it is. Then this ac you have to write it over here. Then whatever is left, c, observe it properly, here negative bd and negative bd, so add it. The negative bd and negative bd will become negative 2bd. Then whatever is left, 2ac plus 2BD, write down as it is. Then AC plus AC will become 2AC. Then negative BD and negative BD will become 2 negative BD and 2AC as it is, and positive 2BD as it is. Then here negative 2BD and positive 2BD is possible to cancel, to cancel it. Then 2AC plus 2AC, see here 2AC plus 2AC, so will become 4AC. See, 2AC plus 2AC will become 4AC. Let us start sum number 5. X plus y in bracket 2x plus y plus x plus 2y in bracket x minus y. Now we have to multiply this binomial with binomial, then binomial with binomial. So let us start. Now you have to multiply this x with both the term, that is 2x plus y, that is x into 2x plus y, that is x into 2x gives 2x square, and x into y is xy. Then you have to multiply this y with both the term, that is y into 2x plus y, that is y into 2x gives 2xy, then y into y is y square. Then x, you have to multiply this binomial with another binomial, so x into x minus y, that is x into x minus y, that is x into x is x square, and x into negative y is negative xy. Then 2y into x minus y, so 2y into x minus y, 2y into x is 2xy, and 2y into y is negative, that is positive into negative is negative. 2y into negative y is negative, 2y into y is y square. Then see if any variables are common. Is it possible to cancel anything? Write down this 2x square as it is. Now try to rearrange. Then 2x square as it is. Then yes, these variables are common. So x square and x square, write it together, plus x square. Then xy plus 2xy and minus xy. And one more, that is plus 2xy. Then y square minus 2y square. So here 2x square plus x square, here you have to consider coefficient as 1. So 2x, that is 2 plus 1 gives 3. 3x squared is common variable, write down as it is. Then here xy positive and negative xy will get cancelled, that is 2xy plus 2xy will become 4xy. Then 2 minus 1, here you have to consider 1, y square with y square. Dear student, here you can do addition or subtraction only with such term whose variables are common. So here also y square and y square, so minus 2 and plus 1 is there, so you will get minus y square. Now the next one, 1.5x minus 4y in bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, then minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now first we have to resolve this bracket, then this one as it is you have to write. So you have to multiply this 1.5x with all the 3 terms and minus 4y with all the 3 terms, and write down this as it is. So multiply 1.5x with all the 3 terms, that is 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. So let us do first. 1.5x into 1.5x gives 2.25x square. 1.5x into 4, that is 15 4s are 60, so 1.5 means 6xy, that is 6xy, and 1.5 into 3, 15 3s are 45, that is 1.5 into 3 is 4.5x. Then 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, so now this second term of first expression we have to multiply with all the 3 terms of second expression. Second term of first expression you have to multiply with all the 3 terms of second expression. So 4 with 1.5 gives 6xy, that is negative into positive is negative. Then 4 4s are 16, negative into positive is negative 16, y into y is y square. Then 4y into 3, 4 3s are 12, negative into positive is negative 12y. Then 4.5x plus 12y you have to write as it is. Now see if anything possible to cancel. Yes, positive 6y and negative 6y, cancel it. Positive 4.5 and negative 4.5, cancel it. And negative 12y and positive 12y, cancel it. So whatever is left, that is 2.25x square and negative 16y square, as write down at the end. This is sum number 7. Now let us see the sum number 6. Now see, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now you have to multiply this x with all the three term of second expression, that is x into x square is x cube, x into xy, that is minus x squared y, then x into y square, that is xy square. Then you have to multiply this y with all the three term, that is y into x square is x square y, then y into xy is xy square, then y into y square is y cube. Now see if anything is possible to cancel, that negative x square y and positive x square y, cancel it, then xy square and negative xy square, cancel it. So x cube and y cube at the end you have to write as it is, which is left. Now the last sum of this exercise, that is a plus b plus c, you have to multiply with a plus b minus c. So you have to multiply this a with all the three term of second expression, that is a into a give a square, a into b give ab, a into c, a into negative c is negative ac, then b into a, that is a, b into a, that is ab, b into b, that is b square, and b into negative c is negative bc, then c into a is ac, then c into b is bc, and c into negative c is negative c square. Then see if anything possible to cancel, that is negative ac and positive ac, cancel it, then negative bc and positive bc, cancel it, then write down whatever is left, that is a square, then b square and negative c square, then ab and plus ab. So a square plus b square minus c square, ab plus ab gives 2ab. This is your answer.